Hello, dear yogis. Today I want to show you another method to relax your body and mind. We will use a foam roller to massage our muscles to reach the deeper tissues. This will help us to release the tension that is stored in our tight muscles and improve the blood supply and the lymphatic flow in the massaged areas. You can do it after a workout, in the end of your day, or when you feel stressed. Basically, anytime your muscles are tight. This will give you a wonderful feeling of lightness and relaxation. We will need about 20 minutes to go over our whole body. Let's start with our calves. Place the foam roller under your right leg. Support yourself with your arms and start slowly rolling back and forth to massage your calf. Breathe deeply through your nose to help your muscles relax. You can tilt your legs slightly inwards and outwards alternately, so you can massage the whole muscle equally. This might hurt a bit, especially when you're new to it. So as always, do it gradually. Control the amount of pressure you want to apply. Now move the roller upwards, place it under your thigh to massage your hamstrings. If it's too intense, you can place the left thigh on the roller too to massage both of them together. This will reduce the pressure. I'll keep it short to demonstrate you how it's done, but you can keep massaging one muscle longer if it feels good. I would stay within the borders of a few minutes though. Now move the roller upwards and place it under your glute. Make sure you massage the muscle and not your tailbone. Now let's do the other leg. Place the roller under your left calf and continue massaging. Now move the roller further up to massage your hamstrings. But don't roll over your joints. It might be painful and can weaken them. Now move the roller up to your glute. Now we will massage the soles of our feet. If you have a roller with smaller diameter, you can use it to create a bit more pressure. You can also use a tennis ball. If you want to make the massage a bit more intense, lift your buttocks up in the air, or you can also do it standing up and do each foot separately. Now let's do the quads. As with the hamstrings, you can choose to do them separately or together. Support yourself with your forearms and don't let your back sag to keep it safe. If you want to make the massage more intense, remove the support of your toes by lifting them off the ground. Now place the roller under the inner side of your thigh and start rolling. Use the side of your body as an axis. To intensify the massage, you can support yourself with your forearms instead of lying on the side of your body. Now let's do the inner side of the second thigh. Of course, you don't need to change the direction like I do. I just do it so you can see the movement better. Now let's do the outer hip. Support yourself with your second leg. Make sure you only massage the muscles and not the bone. Let's do the other side. We are done with the lower part. Now we want to massage our arms. Place the roller under your tricep, support your head with your hand, and start rolling. You can either support yourself with your other arm by placing it on the ground, or by placing your hand on the roller and having a bit more control over the depth of your movement. Now let's do the bicep of the same arm. Stand on your knees and keep a microbend on your arm to avoid hyperextension. It might be tricky at first to find a comfortable position, but play with it until you find your sweet spot. Now let's massage our shoulder muscles. Control the roller with your hand for safety, so your shoulder won't slide off. Make sure you massage the muscles and not your bones. Now we will do the other arm. Start with your tricep again. Move on to your bicep. Let's massage the shoulder on this arm as well. Now sit down in child's pose so you can massage the forearms and the palms of your hands. I like to use the smaller roller, but you can use the big one too. Now let's do the outer side. There is no point rolling on the outer side of your hands because you can't reach the muscles from there. Now let's massage the lower back muscles. Place the roller slightly under your ribs in a way that it doesn't touch your spine. Support yourself with your legs and arms and start rolling back and forth to massage your lower back muscles. Play with the angle to massage your muscles equally. Now do the other side. Place the roller slightly under your shoulders to massage your upper back. Slowly roll back and forth, but don't cross the line where your ribs connect to your spine. The lower back is less mobile than the upper back, and it might be not a good idea to roll over it. We're finished with the massage. It's nice to finish a routine like this with a relaxation pose. We will rest in Supta Baddha Konasana, the reclined butterfly, but instead of a bolster, we will use a roller to support our back, but with the benefit of a great chest opening. Turn your roller 90 degrees and place it under your upper back along your spine. Rest the crown of your head on the ground and enjoy this chest opening. Connect the soles of your feet together and use blocks or pillows to support your knees. Rest here for as long as you like before you go on with your day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified on our new uploads.